Ruslan, and I will show you how to clean and oil a chain. Start by cleaning the chain with a rag. Put oil in the middle of the chain along the whole length. Then continue pedaling for 1 minute. Finish by using the rag to clean off any excess oil on the outside. If you never use oil, the chain and cogs will wear out more quickly. In a shop, it costs more than €20 to change the chain, and more than €100 to change the chain and cogs. Oiling the chain will save you money.